Find out about Frankenhouse's stressful DIY projects and rents are on the rise in today's Home News Quick Fix. Did you know the term Frankenhouse is starting to catch on? It's what we call a remodel or a remodeling project gone wrong. Known as a home where homeowners experiment with DIY around the house, the result can often be confusing to others. A new HGTV show called Fix My Frankenhouse is in the works. In DIY news, the most stressful DIY projects, according to Angie, are unclogging drains, fixing a leaky pipe, unclogging a toilet, and fixing a dishwasher. The least stressful project? That's putting up a shelf. And upholstering, fixing a drawer, and fitting a carpet rank high as unstressful too. In real estate news, rents increased by 12% in the first quarter of this year, with some metro areas experiencing increases of more than 20%, according to the State of the Nation's Housing 2022. I'm Theresa with MyFixitUpLife, and you've just been served your home news quick fix.